把您的演讲稿先放到眼镜里，这样你以后上台演讲的时候，它就可以读稿，而且它可以做到就是您读第一句的时候，它会自动提示下一句，它是一个自动翻页的功能。Not translate。
他刚才问了怎么买。刚才问了怎么买。
नाज़रीन इस वक्त हम जिस जगह मौजूद हैं ये एक एआई मशीन है जो ये हमारे दोस्त कृष्णा हैरी कैसी ने इस वक्त इनके सर पे इसको लगाया गया। ये बेसिकली दिखा रही है कि आप अपने काम में कितने कंसंट्रेटेड हैं। और ये जो स्टार्स हैं ये बैक एंड पे ये बेसिकली स्क्रीन है, स्क्रीन से आपको आइडिया होगा कि इसके कंसंट्रेशन लेवल क्या है। तो सो ब्रदर कृष्णा still screen is showing 0. Why? He is not concentrated?
It has not connected.
Oh my God, Krishna is not connected with this machine. So now we will see. Krishna is basically from Nepal and he is a very concentrated guy, but don't know why now his concentration level is not showing on the screen. What you are thinking, brother? Why you are not concentrated? You should think about AI.
It's not connect.
What you are thinking? I think you are thinking about spa. Yeah, right? Oh, it started now.
85.
Now it's go 57. You can see the star. If this star is showing on screen. Oh my God, he crossed 100%. So he's concentrated 100%. But I am not sure you are concentrated about AI.
Yes.
You tell about what you are thinking, please. People from Nepal watching you, your Pakistani friends are watching you. So you can explain what you are thinking. It's red. Why it's red? He's crossing the level of. Okay. Okay, so this machine. Can I try? I also want to try. What's my concentration level? So let me see. What's my concentration level? So this is the machine. और ये इस तरीके से आप इसको पहनते हैं. It will connect your brain signal to this machine. And now let's see my concentration level. So this screen will basically tell me the level of concentration. So let's connect. It's connected.
对，它连接需要一些时间。It needs some time to connect the.
Some time. Okay, no problem.
And I need to restart for you.
Okay. So it's now connecting, in process of connecting. And now let's see. No doubt China is bringing a revolution in field of technology. Chinese tech companies are crossing next level. Equipment is top notch and results are very accurate. So this machine is also, you told, using for pain relief. For the headache. Which kind of pain mean headache? To relieve headache?
No, it's more about mental health.
It's about mental
like
health.
depression, like that.
So while using this machine, you can more focused on your work, right? Or it's something different?
Yeah. It just tells you your concentration level, and you can use it in different areas. For example.
Okay. So now I am going 78, 79, 89, again 84, 88, 79. Why not crossing? Oh, now I am on 100% concentration level. So where is Krishna? Krishna, I also now 89, 71. Actually, after watching you, my concentration level come down. Now I am again 100%. So it's really very interesting. And brother, if you can just tell me any other feature of this machine, what exactly the name of this machine, if anyone want to buy this, what we called, what is the name of this?
这个设备叫什么名字？
脑机接口设备。
什么叫脑机接口？那如果有人要买，
What's this?
What is the name of this? I want to just exact name of this machine.
So this is like the brain machine interaction, but this is not for selling.
Oh, I
It's
know.
just for demonstration.
But maybe in future there are some outlets,
Yeah,
maybe in
there will be
Beijing.
some specific brand names for this.
他带了这个东西买。
There are
机接口啊，Neuralink or something, right? It's a pretty like Elon Musk's, he has a company to connect your brain.
okay, but this is Chinese made, right?
Yeah, Chinese.
It's not of Elon Musk.
No.
Okay, so I just want to know if we any of us want to buy this. In Beijing, there are some stores or some outlet or online platform. How can
Guys.
someone can buy?
I'm not the right person to give you the explanation.
Oh, Nazin, this is basically our delegation. She's from Indonesia. Malaysia. I am really sorry. She's from Malaysia. Very active lady, and we can also check her her concentration level through this machine.
maybe.
This brother is from East Timor, and we can also check his brain concentration by using this machine. And she is from Myanmar. Sorry. We can also check his brain level as well. And from which country you are, brother?
Okay.
Your country?
My country is Burkina Faso. I come from Burkina Faso.
Okay. So there are many people from different countries. He is from Mauritius, the famous place Mauritius. And I am planning to visit Mauritius very soon.
Yeah.
And I will also bring this machine with me to check the concentration level during the visit.
Okay.
So नाज़रीन ये AI की फील्ड में एक रेवोल्यूशन है. आप देख सकते हैं कि आपका दिमाग आपके काम पे कितना कंसंट्रेट करता है. आज मेरे पास माइक नहीं है तो इसलिए मे बी कि आपको आइडिया ना हो ऑडियो का. सो शी इज़ फ्रॉम नोरो and she lost her concentration due to smoking.
You haven't even checked. I tried.
Okay, let's try your concentration level today. If your concentration is about 80%, you can smoke. And if it's less than 80, you have to quit smoking, okay?
No, I won't make that bet. I just want to see.
Okay, so I will, dear viewers, I will bring a special show for you with her in coming days. She is from a very unique country in the world. We will discuss one day. So now let's go
Can I try?
and see. So I will go again for my concentration level. It's now 61%. ये जो स्क्रीन मेरे पीछे है ये बेसिकली दिखा रही है कि आप जो काम कर रहे हैं इस पे आप कितना आप कंसंट्रेटेड है. सो and now I'm 100% on concentration level. Okay, now yes, of course you try this. I will tell someone. Okay, brother, now you can remove this. Okay, I will give you now. Now this Malaysian journalist, senior journalist, want to try her concentration level. So I am asking someone to help. Yes, I am also trying to. Because it's now connected with my brain. So it's better to disconnect first from my brain and then connect with your brain. So it's very interesting. ये नाज़रीन जब शुरू में इन्होंने बताया कि AI का ये आपके ब्रेन के साथ सिग्नल कनेक्ट करता है तो हमारे कुछ फ्रेंड्स ये भी समझ रहे थे कि शायद जो आप सोच रहे होंगे वो उस वक्त स्क्रीन पे आएगा. तो बहुत सारों ने कहा कि हमें इसको प्रैक्टिस नहीं करना चाहिए, बट लेटर ऑन रियलाइज़ हुआ कि ये बेसिकली मेंटल हेल्थ को इम्प्रूव करने, फोकस बढ़ाने और उसके साथ साथ आप जिस काम पे मौजूद होते हैं उस वक्त वो आप कितने फोकस्ड हैं उसके लिए होता है. सो ब्रदर, कैन यू रिमूव दिस
For a long time we are waiting.
and place on her? Yes, you just.
He used it for a long time already. Other people also want to try this.
I want to now take off this and give to her. Yes, you remove. So अब ये इसे डिस्कनेक्ट करेंगे और ये रिमूव हो गए जी. तो इंशाल्लाह आपसे फिर मुलाकात होती है. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. इस एग्ज़िबिशन में मज़ीद AI रिलेटेड जो कंटेंट होगा वो मैं लेके आऊँगा और आपको दिखाऊँगा. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.